Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Enable developer options on your Android so you can control USB mode, and install Android File Transfer or OpenMTP on the Mac so the file system is accessible. Use a known good data cable and unlock your phone before plugging in. Once done, connect the USB and watch for the USB notification on the phone. This is required to change the mode from charging only to file transfer, which the Mac app needs to see the device. After connection, tap the USB system notification on Android and select File Transfer or Transfer Files so the Mac can browse storage. If you plan to use ADB or developer tools, enable USB debugging and then accept the Mac's RSA fingerprint prompt when it appears. This grants trust and prevents repeated prompts. Make sure the Mac app is open. Android File Transfer or OpenMTP will then index the storage. If the phone is locked, unlock it. Many transfers require an unlocked device to expose files. Now perform your transfers. Open the Mac app, navigate the phone's folders, and drag files. OpenMTP handles large batches better and shows transfer queues. Once finished, safely eject the device from the Mac or close the app before unplugging to avoid corruption. If the phone isn't detected, try switching USB ports or cables, reboot both devices, and ensure the phone's USB mode is set correctly. If problems persist, reinstall the Mac utility, toggle USB debugging, and regrant file access permissions on the phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.